time for your beauty beat because it is Tuesday. Now, over the past couple weeks, if you've been joining us, we've covered what we predict as the beauty trends of 2022, everything from makeup to skincare. And now we're talking about a booming trend of clean beauty. Here to share what the term is, how it's evolved, what it means, our beauty expert, Christina Gallardo. Hey, Christina.
Hello.
Okay, so first things first, we want to clear the air here. What does clean beauty actually mean?
So it's definitely a buzzword that we've been seeing for the past few years, but for a long time it was more of an advertising ploy than a significant change in the actual products. This being because in the US, the beauty industry is a severely underregulated industry. Now there's a movement happening, whether the government catches up or not, and that movement is to clean up clean beauty, combining a focus on clean products and sustainability. So clean beauty now is non-toxic products that are safe for both our bodies and safe for our environment.
Okay, so we're seeing this kind of movement. What actually ignited it first?
So according to entrepreneur.com, consumers became more aware of clean beauty during the pandemic. When routines were put on hold, they started evaluating their life choices. This is when people became more conscious of what they're putting inside their bodies, and when they had time to witness the impact of their choices on the environment. And actually, which we know, where they're spearheading everything, the millennials and the Gen Zs are the two driving generations for the sales of clean beauty and skincare products globally.
Now, we talked about regulations and trying to do this. How is the beauty industry kind of taking charge to verify that these products are actually clean?
So while we're seeing clean beauty products popping up left and right, as we mentioned, with the lack of regulations, there can be a range in terms of what clean may mean. So now we're seeing the major retailers set their own standards. So the clean beauty retailers have always had their own high standards. Credo has their Credo Clean standard focused on ethics, sourcing, safety, and sustainability. But now the major retailers are stepping up too. So Sephora expanded its Clean at Sephora initiative to include the new Clean and Positive seal, which highlights brands that not only meet their clean standards, but also focus on climate commitments. And then Ulta has its newly established Conscious Beauty at Ulta Beauty initiative, which helps consumers identify the clean initiatives that are important to them and highlight the brands that fit that category.
Okay, so how are the companies responding to this movement?
So overall, beauty companies are focusing on creating non-toxic and eco-friendly products by being more transparent about the ingredient list and their sources. We're also seeing more packaging improvements like biodegradables and refillables. And according to researchers at the Future Laboratory, upcycled ingredients will become more common in beauty. They predict we'll continue to see the rise of byproduct beauty, where brands convert waste ingredients into desirable items. So think coffee grinds, whey, products made from winemaking process, and even regenerative farming.
Okay, so a lot of ways, a lot of good information here so that we can kind of make some really informed choices going forward. So what advice are you going to give to all of us out there looking to make more conscious purchases when it comes to our makeup and skincare?
Do your research, decide what's most important to you, and if you're really committed to being clean and conscious, choose beauty products that ban the most ingredients that can be harmful to both you and the planet.
All right. Thank you so much, Christina, for joining us. You can watch her, yeah, of course, here every Tuesday on the Beauty Beat. Make sure that you keep following her on social media. If you haven't yet, that handle is @makeupbyChristinaG_.